Are you confused which body mist to buy from the brand Body Shop? Then this video is gonna be very helpful. Hey guys, my name is Payal. In this video, I'm gonna talk about my top 5 body mist from the brand The Body Shop. And in case you're new to my channel, consider joining my family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. It just takes 1 second and it really helps my channel a lot. So me before rambling off, let's just start with the video. So if you look for the freshness element in your body mist, then the first body mist is for you, and this one is Fijian Water Lotus. Just like any body mist from the brand Body Shop, it comes in a glass bottle and product is pretty much visible, and as you guys can see that I'm almost done. That defines that I absolutely love this body mist. Now talking about the fragrance is actually a blend between lotus as well as mandarin, and that's the reason it actually gives you that freshness wala feel, because mandarin is known for freshness and so is lotus. So ye thoda water element with freshness aisa wala feel deta hai, which I absolutely love. Now this lasts for 3 to 4 hours, which is good enough, but in case you want it to last for more period of time, what you can do is that apply a body butter and on top of that apply this, so it will last for more period of time. Now talking about the second one, which is my ultimate favorite. Guys, I can't define how much I love this, and this one is Life Is. It's very difficult to get your hand on this. Body mist तो almost sold out ही रहता है हर जगह, but अगर आपको perfume भी मिलता है तो please get your hands on this. Now this is, I would say, this is a fragrance which is floral, fresh, सब कुछ है. So this basically has citrus fragrance along with lily and lotus का fragrance, and the base note is sandalwood. So that means सब कुछ mix करके इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आती है ना. And this is again a very fresh fragrance for the girls who loves floral fragrance, but they don't want it to be very prominent. They can opt for this. Oh my god, the memories I have. This is an amazing. Even guys can use this fragrance. That's what I would like to say. And as usual, this lasts for 3 to 4 hours. Amazing product. Now coming towards the third body mist, this is my second bottle. That means it states a lot that I absolutely love this fragrance, and this is British Rose. Guys, I have reviewed the whole range. I'll just put that video over here. I may या फिर in the description box. I love fragrance of rose. मुझे rose ना बहुत पसंद है, but it's very difficult to get a good perfume which has a rose fragrance, and this is absolutely the one. Just like others, it's the same glass bottle. Now the, what do you call this? Dhakkan. This is different, the cap, yeah. So yeah, as I said, and this is again a very nice, fresh, very pleasant fragrance. So in case you are a fan of a rose and you want it to not to be sexy but pleasant, then opt for this one. Since it has a whole range, what you can do is that again buy a body butter of the same range, uske upar lagao, so it will last around 6 to 8 hours, which I absolutely love. And you can keep it in your bag also because it looks so luxurious, right? Now coming towards the fourth fragrance, which if I think about, I actually think of my marriage before marriage. The reason is that this was my winter purchase, and I was before shadi ka time. I was applying this a lot, so this has that special corner in my heart, special corner, special place in my heart. I'm sorry. Yeah, so this is Japanese Cherry Blossom. Oh my god, this is a sweet fragrance. Let me be very frank to you. It states also Japanese Cherry Blossom, the sweet fragrance, which is little fresh also, but reminds you of winter. And oh my god, this is so good, guys. I can't describe. Again, it lasts for 3 to 4 hours. If you'll accompany this with a body butter, ज़्यादा time रहेगा. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी खुशबू. In case you're looking for something like fresh, either for winter or monsoon, opt for this one. You won't regret it. I absolutely love. If you are a person who loves sexy fragrance and you want something special for your date night or that special wala night, then you can opt for Smoky Rose. If it's not evident, then let me make it more evident that I love rose fragrance, and this actually states that. Now this is more towards like night body mist, or I would say sexy body mist. As usual, rose का fragrance है, but थोड़ा smoky way में है. That's the reason I said it's a little sexy. And again, a very nice fragrance. It can, even a guy as well as a girl can use this. It has a white musk smoky rose, and it's very difficult for me to describe the fragrance, but I would say it is sexy. That's it for the video. Those were my top 5 pick from the brand. But in case you will be like, Payal, एक ही खरीद सकते हैं, please suggest us one, then I would say Life is ले लो. But in case it's not available, then British Rose is also my ultimate favorite. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. In case it was, then do thumbs up. और अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार ठीक है अभी मैं नहीं सोच रही हूँ, but share this video with your friends or family members. In case they are planning to buy, it will be helpful for them and it will help me also. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider, because it will help me a lot. मेरे छोटी सी फैमिली को थोड़ा सा बड़ा बनाने की थोड़ी सी हेल्प, अपना contribution दे दो. And do follow me on social media pages. All the links will be in the description box. At the last I'll say, take care and stay pretty and stay safe.